Hey everyone, Denise here, and welcome to week 2 of the 30-day workout plan for beginners. And today we're going to target some of those trouble spots. We're going to kick it up a notch by doing 15 reps of each. I got 5 exercises that we're going to be doing. Good for your muffin top, your back fat, your booty, your love handles. So what you want to do before any exercise program is you want to do some warm-ups. This way you get to loosen up your muscles, the ones specifically that you're going to be working on today. So we're going to do a couple minutes of those, and then we're going to go into a side-by-side and then a minute jog. I hope you guys can keep up with me, so let's go. So for the first exercise we're going to do, they're called arm swings. And it's good for your back fat and your underarms. Works on your arms. And it's just a matter of going like this, like this. Put your arms out as far as you can. Alright? It's good for your arms. It's good for your waist. We're going to do 15. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 more. And 5. Whew. Feel that in my arms and here. Funny thing about that one move, I used to watch my husband do that before he would work out with his weights. And he'd get up there and he'd really go like this. It used to make me laugh, but now I understand why he did it. It's good for your arms, and it's good for your waist. All right, let's move on. So here we go. The next exercise is called crisscross crunches. Say that real fast 5 times. And what you do is put your hands like this, and you come up, and that's 1. You'll feel it in your stomach. You'll feel it around your gut, which is the target area, and your abs. We're going to want to do 15 of each leg. So here we go. Arms like this. If you can't do 15, fine. Just do as many as you can. It's a start. Here we go. That's 1. Out. Every time you breathe, you need a 6. And 10. 5 more. 3, 4, 1 more. And 15. Woo! You feel it in your stomach, you can also feel it in your legs. That is a good workout. All right, let's move on. So for this next one, these are lunges. Good for your booty, your glutes. We're only going to do 10 of them because I got to tell you, they're kind of hard. And the way to do it is to, let's go like this. Put your hands at your side, if you can, and go like that. That's 1. If you need to put your arms up for balance, by all means do that. All right, so we're going to do 10. Here we go. That's 1. Your back straight. Two more. Come on, you can do it. This is my balance. 1 more. Down as far as you can. And then come back up. Whew, Lordy. That one's rough. You feel that on your legs. You feel it on your butt. Yeah, that's a hard one. All right. So this next one that we're going to do, they're called bicycle crunches. We're going to do 15 each leg. So this one, it's like riding a bicycle. You lay down, put your legs like this, and then when we're ready to go, you want to lift them up and go like that. And I want to do 15 each leg. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Woo! I can feel that right around here. That is a good one for your belly. And of course, we're going to do one of my favorite exercises, bridges. We're going to do 15 of them. And on the last one, number 15, I want you to keep it up as long as you can. All right, here we go. Hands at your side. And 1. Really squeeze it as you go up. 4, 5, squeeze hard. 10 of the 30-day plank challenge, and today we're going to hold a plank for 55 seconds. I have my timer. So get down in the position, put your arms like this. Let's go. 55 seconds. You can do it. Go. And 55. Oh. Man. If you're able to get to the 55-second mark and you know you're getting stronger, it's a good sign. It works every muscle. So good for your core. It's one of my favorites. All right. So there you go, my friends. We just made it through day 10 of the 30-day workout plan for beginners. I'm glad to see you guys have come back. I am feeling stronger. I can feel it in my muscles. I'm not not sore anymore. Okay, kind of worn down. Yeah, I feel it a little bit, you know, during the day and of course right now. But when we start back up tomorrow, I'm not as sore as I was when we first started. Day 2, day 3. So this is a really good sign. And obviously, I'm not going to have an hourglass figure by the time summer comes around. You won't ever catch me in a bikini, regardless. But it's just a matter of doing this for myself, wanting to get back into shape. And I'm also going to come up with some sort of a diet plan because I could stand to lose about 10 pounds. I believe I'm 135 right now. My ideal weight is 120, 125. So, yeah, putting together a diet plan that's not going to starve you. Just totally my kind of diet because I just love to eat. Anyways, thank you for coming. I hope to see you again tomorrow. We'll be on day 11. We're getting better. All I ask is that you give me, looks like 15-20 minutes of your day, and let's work out together. If you like what you see, hit the subscribe button, give me a like, thumbs up, leave me a comment, let me know how I can improve, or how I can, what you don't like. But please, no haters, because I'm just going to delete you. All right, until tomorrow, ciao.